I'm proud to announce the training course is a wrap. We're going live. This course is going to include online training with 4.5 hours of video content, also including optional in-person hands-on training, working on live models. We're going to be going over branding, marketing, SEO, website, basically everything I've used to make me a successful artist. All the equipment, products, needles, absolutely everything that I personally use will be available in this package. When you purchase my training, you're going to be added to my exclusive private Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded artists who have trained with me. We're going to offer you support to help you advance in this industry. It's a big life changer for your clients and for you as an artist. Go to taylorperry.com and enroll today.